Hola, welcome to Aida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Aida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare macaroni salad, Ensalada de Coditos. Macaroni salad is usually served as a side dish to accompany your main course. Since we love to add ham to the macaroni salad in Puerto Rico, this dish can also be served as a complete meal. In Puerto Rico, Spam is the preferred meat for this recipe. However, I prefer to purchase regular ham already diced and packaged at the grocery store. Regarding the pasta, you will find various sizes of elbow macaroni at the supermarket. For this recipe, I will be using 8 ounces of the small elbow macaroni. Since my mother taught me how to prepare this delicious macaroni salad with boiled eggs, let's start with boiling the eggs. In a 1.5 quart saucepan, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Carefully place 2 eggs into saucepan and continue boiling for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The eggs are done after 12 minutes of boiling. Turn off the induction cooker and carefully drain the hot water from saucepan. Add cold water and some ice cubes to cool the eggs for at least 3 minutes. This process will allow the hard-boiled eggs to peel easily. The boiled eggs are cool enough to peel. Gently crack 1 egg in several places and start peeling. Repeat this process for the other egg. The last step is to chop the peeled eggs using an egg slicer. Place a boiled egg on the base and lower the top to slice the egg. Now we need to slice the egg in the opposite direction. With a sharp knife, cut across the egg strips into smaller pieces. This is such an easier method to chop the boiled eggs. Once the other egg is chopped, place in a bowl. Before we cook the elbow macaroni, these are the ingredients that I plan to use to prepare our macaroni salad. 1/2 cup of diced ham, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard or the mustard of your preference, 1/4 cup chopped onions, 1/4 cup chopped red peppers, 1/4 cup chopped green peppers, 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs, 1/2 cup to 1 cup of mayonnaise, depending on how creamy a texture you desire. We are ready to cook the pasta. In a 3-quart saucepan, bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons of light salt or to taste, and return the water to a boil. We can now add 8 ounces of pasta and cook uncovered until tender, stirring occasionally. After 13 minutes of cooking, the pasta is tender. Carefully drain the hot water from saucepan and place the cooked pasta in a large bowl. Turn off induction cooker immediately. Make sure the pasta is cool before we prepare the macaroni salad. Let's add the following ingredients to the pasta. Chopped hard-boiled eggs. Chopped green peppers. Chopped red peppers. Chopped onions. Diced ham. And yellow mustard. I am just going to add half of the mayonnaise for right now. We can decide later if we need more. Stir all the ingredients until well blended. The macaroni salad has the right consistency. However, if you prefer a creamier texture, then add more mayonnaise. Place the macaroni salad in a regular bowl to serve. The macaroni salad, Ensalada de Coditos, is usually served cold and as a side dish to accompany your main course. Since this dish contains diced ham, it can also be served as a complete meal. You can garnish the macaroni salad with strips of roasted red bell peppers, pimientos morrones, or with chopped cilantro. Maintain this dish refrigerated until it is time to serve, especially since it contains mayonnaise and eggs. Remember, you can always adjust the quantity of the ingredients to your liking. With this recipe, I filled this whole bowl with macaroni salad. You will have at least 8 servings. Let's taste the macaroni salad. It's so creamy. The pasta is tender. And the chopped eggs, vegetables, and especially the yellow mustard provide some texture and flavor to this dish. ¡Qué rico! An excellent side dish to accompany your favorite meat or fish. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare macaroni salad, Ensalada de Coditos. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.